Jai and dear student, in last session we had learned about construction of parallel lines. Okay, now in this session we are going to learn about construction of triangle. Now, before this, as I told, before construction you should know what is triangle, है ना? Whatever you are constructing, that you should know that what is triangle. Triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segment, 3 angles, okay, and 3 vertices. Now there are some certain criteria through which we can draw triangles. If you remember, we had learned this in congruence of triangle. Let us see the first criteria, that is by SSS criteria. SSS criteria means when 3 sides are given. A triangle when 3 sides are given. We have to construct a triangle when 3 sides are given. Let us do one example. For example, triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and AC is equal to, let us see, 8 centimeter. एक ट्राइंगल हमें ड्रॉ करना है, तो सबसे पहले the first thing what we are going to do here is let us draw one rough triangle. rough triangle इसलिए ड्रॉ करना है कि हमें पता चले कि एक्चुअली हमें करना क्या है. अब देखो AB का मेजर है 6 सेंटीमीटर, BC is 7 centimeter, AC is 8 centimeter. Now रफ फिगर हो गया हमारा. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग विच वी आर गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इज बेस. सबसे पहले हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी होती है बेस, क्योंकि किसी भी चीज़ को हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, बनाना है, तो सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए बेस. तो दिस बेस इज गिवन 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ BC इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ we need to use the scale in perfect measurement. 7 centimeter means from here to here. This is 7 centimeter. We can write name also like this, BC. This is 7 centimeter. Now अब हमें देखना है कि AB कितना है, AC कितना है. AB है 6 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब B से कहीं यहाँ पर A कहीं पे होगा जो 6 सेंटीमीटर है. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल एंड कंपास, ये विथ रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर, ये 6 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस लिया हमने. दिस इज रेडियस ऑफ 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, विथ सेंटर B and radius 6 centimeter, we can draw one arc like here. एक आर्क हमें यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है. नाउ AC is 8 centimeter. So again with radius 8 centimeter and center C, with center C and radius 8 centimeter, we can draw another arc. एक दूसरा आर्क यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है like this, which intersect the previous arc at A. और यहाँ पर ये intersect होगा A पे. Then last में हमें join करना है, join AB and AC. join AB and AC. तो AC हमारा था 8 सेंटीमीटर, AB था 6 सेंटीमीटर. ये हो गया हमारा ट्राइंगल. सबसे पहले हमें बेस ड्रॉ करनी है, दैट इज BC इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. उसके बाद B विथ सेंटर B एंड रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे. फिर विथ सेंटर C एंड रेडियस 8 सेंटीमीटर एक आर्क यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. ये दोनों जहाँ पे मिलेंगे उनको बोल देंगे A. तो 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज ट्राइंगल ABC इज रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल. वी कैन राइट therefore triangle ABC is required triangle ABC is required triangle. Now let us come to exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2 question number 1. Exercise 10.2 question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ. सबसे पहले तो हमें ये यहाँ पे लिख लेना है. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to is given 4.5 centimeter. Then YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. सबसे पहले we are going to draw one rough triangle like this. So rough triangle we can say X, Y, Z. Now XY is given 4.5 centimeter, YZ is given 5 centimeter, ZX is given 6 centimeter. So as I told, सबसे पहले first of all we will draw the base. So base how we can draw? With the help of scale. Here we can draw the base like this. Thus it will be 5 centimeter. Try to draw in the center. ऐसे center में draw करने की कोशिश करना. 5 centimeter. That will be, let us say, Y and Z. This is our 5 centimeter. That's 5 centimeter. 0 to 5. Now X, Y is given 4.5 centimeter. So again 4.5 means between 4 and 5 here 1 and 1 point is here at 0. So with center Y and radius 4.5 centimeter we can draw one arc like this. Then ZX, XZ or ZX is 6 centimeter. So again with the help of compass and ruler this we can draw. So this will be, it will intersect here. This we can name it as X, and so we can say, or we can say join these X, Y and X, Z. So this will be 4.5 centimeter and here it is 6 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So triangle XYZ, we can say that triangle, therefore triangle XYZ is required. Triangle XYZ is required triangle. Let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is given, construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Here it is given equilateral triangle of side is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Equilateral triangle of side which is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Means suppose we can draw one triangle like this. Let it be MNO. MNO in such a way that here MN is equal to 5.5 centimeter. This 5.5 centimeter. NO is also equal to 5.5 centimeter and this is also equal to 5.5 centimeter. MN 5.5 centimeter. NO is also equal to 5.5 centimeter. MO is also equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now this we have to draw. The first we will draw NO is equal to 5.5 centimeter. In center we will draw, that will be 5.5, means 1 point here and one it will be go till here. This is our, we can say NO, which is 5.5 centimeter. Now as we had done in previous, here we will see this NM which is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So we will take out this protector and see 5.5 means here 5.5. So with center N and radius 5.5 centimeter we will draw one arc like this. Now again MO is also equal to 5.5 centimeters. So again with center O and same radius we can draw one another arc. These both which intersect at M. Here it intersect at M, so we can join now MN and MO. So MN, this is also equal to 5.5 centimeter and this is also equal to 5.5 centimeter. So this triangle MNO is required. Triangle we can write, therefore triangle MNO is required triangle. Triangle MNO is required triangle. Now question number 3 is your homework. Again you have to draw the same, draw triangle PQR. Okay, in this way, what type of triangle is this? So you have to, after drawing triangle, you have to find out that what type of triangle is this. Then now let us see question number 4. Question number 4 is construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter, BC is equal to, BC is given 6 centimeter and one more is given, AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So first we will draw rough figure like this. Let us see A, B, C. Here AB is given 2.5 centimeter. BC is given 6 centimeter. Here AC is given 6.5 centimeter. Now first what we have to draw is BC. BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Let us draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter. BC, and this will be equal to 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we know that we have to now find out BA. BA is 2.5 centimeter. So if it is 2.5 centimeter, then what we have to do is 2.5 centimeter this. 2.5 centimeter. So with center B and radius 2.5 centimeter, we need to draw one arc like this. Then we know here AC is 6.5 centimeter. So with radius 6.5 centimeter and center C, with center C and radius 6.5 centimeter, we will have to draw one arc which intersect each other at A. So now this will be, you can see this is 2.5 and this will be, oh sorry, here it is again, it is not 6.5 centimeter, it measure it 6.5 centimeter is like this. Let us do it again. First 2.5 centimeter, now CA is 6.5 centimeter. So from here to here 6.5 centimeter, which will become here 6.5 centimeter. So now here this point we can write as A and we can join this AB and AC. Now here AC is 6.5 centimeter given, AB is given 2.5 centimeter. This all. Now it is also asked measure angle B. So as I told you, you need to have protractor to measure angle B. So this protractor you need, measure angle B means this angle you have to measure. So angle B is, we can see it is 90 degrees. So we can write here that angle B is equal to 90 degree and triangle ABC is required triangle. We can write this also for triangle ABC is required triangle and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So here we end our exercise 10.2. These all 4 questions you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.